Let me tell you something that most guys never figure out until it's too late. Silence isn't weakness. It's not indifference. Silence is the most powerful language you can ever speak when it's done from self-respect. Because when a woman walks away or pulls away, she expects drama. She expects you to chase, to beg, to prove she still matters. But when you give her nothing, no explanation, no anger, no last words, you don't just confuse her. You haunt her. And the silence that you sit in calmly, she drowns in it. Let me break down the real psychological chaos your silence unleashes. Not from a place of revenge, but from a place of truth. Point 1. She doesn't hear silence. She hears her own doubts echoing back. The first few days without a text from you, she pretends she doesn't care. But your silence, it turns her own mind into an echo chamber. She hears the last thing she said over and over. She replays the way your eyes looked the last time you saw her. And then it starts, did I push him too far? Why hasn't he checked in? Your silence becomes her internal mirror, reflecting all the things she said and shouldn't have. Not getting closure doesn't bother her as much as realizing she may have already had it. Point 2. She looks for you in every distraction and can't find you. She tells herself she's moving on. She posts something for attention. She laughs louder with her friends. Maybe she even lines up a date or two. But none of it fills the space you left because what you gave her was more than attention. You gave her presence, and now she looks around in every room, every chat, every scroll searching for the version of you she never appreciated when it was right in front of her. It's not you she can't replace. It's how you made her feel without trying. And that's what keeps her up at night. Point 3. Your silence exposes the game. She was playing to herself. She might have thought she had control. She might have pulled away expecting you to crawl back. But when you don't, when you just vanish with your dignity intact, it's like someone ripped the mask off the game she was playing. She realizes in your absence that she wasn't being strong. She was being manipulative, and now the only thing staring back at her is the reality. You didn't play the game, you ended it. And the worst kind of loss is when you lose someone who refused to compete for validation. Point 4. Silence makes her replay everything she took for granted. When you go silent, something strange happens to her memory. Suddenly, she starts replaying every moment you were there for her. Every time you listened when she vented. Every time you made her laugh when she was falling apart. Every time you stayed. Even when she gave you reasons to leave, at first she told herself, he'll come back. They always do. But days pass, weeks even. And your absence doesn't just grow louder. It becomes unbearable. And in that stillness, the highlight reel starts playing. But now she sees it differently. She's no longer focused on your flaws. She's haunted by her own indifference. Your silence holds up a mirror she never wanted to face, and that's when she finally starts to realize you were never just another guy. You were the man who loved her. When she forgot how to love you back. Point 5. Her control starts to slip the longer you stay quiet. At first, she thinks she's won. She thinks pulling away, going cold, or ignoring your presence will pull you back into her world like it always did before. But something's different this time. You're not chasing. You're not explaining. You're not playing the same game. And that rattles her because women are used to having silent power, unspoken control over the emotional tone of a relationship. But when you go quiet, that control slips right through her fingers. She starts to realize maybe she never had as much power as she thought. Maybe you weren't the emotional one, maybe she was. And the longer your silence stretches, the louder her internal panic becomes. Because now she's not just afraid of losing you. She's afraid she already did. And nothing shakes a woman's confidence like realizing she underestimated the one man who finally stopped chasing her. Point 6. She doesn't obsess over you. She obsesses over why you didn't fight. This one cuts deep. She expects men to beg, to send paragraphs to show some pain. But when you show none, her mind doesn't just miss you. It obsesses over why you didn't fight for her. She wonders if she ever really mattered. She wonders if you ever really loved her. Because when a man walks away without noise, it doesn't say, I don't care. It says, I've already accepted what you couldn't give. And that kind of peace, it makes her chaos feel pathetic. Point 7. She becomes addicted to the mystery you created. A man who explains himself becomes predictable. A man who disappears gracefully becomes unforgettable. Your silence becomes her obsession. She stalks your socials not to see what you're doing, but to see if you still care. She zooms into your photos, checks the time you were last online. Every story becomes a riddle. Every silence a puzzle. You're not a ghost to her. You're a question she can't answer. And women, they don't forget the man who left them wondering. Point 8. She starts seeing your growth as her loss. When you go silent, you don't just disappear, you evolve. She sees the glow up, the new peace in your eyes, the gym pickaxe, the confidence, the shift in your energy. And suddenly her silence feels like punishment for her. Because while she was replaying old memories, you were rewriting your future. And what she let go of is now becoming the man she always said she wanted. But it's too late. You don't need her validation anymore. And that's when she realizes you weren't just a chapter. You were the plot twist. Point N. She feels the regret. Not in words, but in her body. This is where it gets real. Regret doesn't always speak. Sometimes it sits in the chest. Sleepless nights. Staring at a name in her phone and not knowing what to say. Losing her appetite. Feeling anxious every time a notification comes through. Hoping it's you, but knowing it won't be. It's not just sadness. It's a body-level response to finally realizing she let a man go who only ever wanted to love her, right? And now that man belongs to silence. And silence doesn't come back. Brother, silence isn't about punishment. It's not about getting even. It's about reclaiming your peace. The peace you gave away too easily to someone who didn't know what to do with it. Let her wonder. Let her overthink. Let her spiral in the space you left behind. Because a man who walks away with his dignity doesn't just get missed. He gets remembered. And the day she finally gets the courage to reach out will be the day she realizes you've already moved on. Not out of bitterness, but because you finally remembered who you